Hello, my friends. This is Sherry. How's everyone doing today? I hope you're going to have a great Friday. I'm here with a little short video real quick this morning. I have an announcement. I'm super excited about it, and it's going to be a Canuck Open Collab that I am doing with and co-hosting with Susan of Susan Hiles Art. She's Susan, and Susan Hiles Art is her YouTube name. And if you don't know Susan, I will link her. You probably already do, but if you don't, I'll link her channel below so you can keep an eye out. We're going to keep track of everyone who wants to participate in this open collab. So let me tell you about it real quick. It's going to be super fun and easy. So here are all the details, and I will have also this listed in my description box so you can review. But it is 3 weeks. So what I mean by 3 weeks is going to be one day per week, which is going to be Fridays. So 3 Fridays in November, and it's going to be November 5th, 12th, and 19th. You can participate. If you want to participate, you can participate on one of these days, 2 of these days, or all 3 days. But it's just 3 Fridays in November. Not a long drawn out thing, but we are co-hosting, and the theme of the whole collab is going to be using your crafty deals. So by that we mean things that you've picked up along the way, whether they were in Happy Mail, thrift stores, Walmart, wherever, Tuesday morning. If you got a deal on it, we want to hear about it. So yeah, we want to hear the story behind your crafty deal that you're using. So maybe you have something in your stash that you have picked up and you haven't used it, and you're like, I really want to use this. This is your opportunity to dig it out and use it. So let me tell you about the different days. So November 5th is the theme, or not really a prompt. I'm going to call it a theme. November 5th, the first Friday in November, the theme is going to be paper, anything paper. I have paper and ephemera here. So I have some examples here. You can use a book pages. That's paper. Scrapbook paper. Flashcards are paper. Recipe cards. Just anything paper. There's so much, right? So that's a wide variety of things. That should be really easy. So anything paper. We want to know about the deal you got on it, and we want to know what your idea is for using your paper and ephemera you picked up at thrift stores and wherever. Doesn't have to be a thrift store. Second Friday, November 12th, the theme will be lace, fabric, and buttons. So, that sounds like sewing to me, but, I would say, I guess we want to stick to lace, fabric, and buttons. So that's also a wide variety of things. You don't have to use all 3, just any of those 3 things would be great. To let us know, give us some ideas on what we can do with our lace, our fabric, and our buttons, right? And let us know your deal behind them. Where did you get your buttons? Where did you find a big stash of buttons, right? Or where did you find those special buttons that you're using in your craft? Or that beautiful Christmas fabric that you might want to use? Or that super cool, beautiful vintage lace, So, and then the third Friday, beads, charms, and clasps. So all those kind of things that you pick up, those little baubles that we like to make bead dangles, and charms for our journals, any of that kind of stuff, paper clips, anything like that, I would say, is involved in the clasp part. Bulb pins, binder clips, any of that kind of stuff we can do something with on that third and last Friday. So yeah, that is it as far as the theme. So there's not too many rules. We like to have fun, and we don't like to have too many rules. Be sure to tell us why the items you are crafting with. Be sure to tell us about your deal. We want to hear about your story. Comment under this video or Susan's video and let us know so that we can link your channel, whether you're on YouTube or Instagram. We'll link either one or both. And please put our links under your video so that we can, or you can put it in your Instagram post so that people can come and, see who all the participants are and visit all the channels. And then this is the hashtag. Don't forget to put the hashtag in your title. That makes it easy for everyone to find you and for us to find you so we can watch your video and give you some thumbs up, some likes, and maybe you'll get some new subscribers. So use the hashtag. Here it is right here. Let me hold it up close so you can see. I hope you can see that okay, but I said I would put in my video. Hashtag is Sherry and Susan's Crafty Collab. So Sherry, and I have my name under my video, you know, under my YouTube video so you can see how it's spelled. And Susan's going to have an S on the end of her name. And is spelled out, and then Crafty Collab. It's kind of long, but just remember it's Sherry and Susan's Crafty Collab. You'll get it, no problem. And put it in your title. And the best thing, the most important thing, last but not least, is to have fun. Don't stress. We just like our collabs to be fun and non-stressful, you know what I mean? So I hope you will join us and have some fun on the next 3 Fridays. So check out Susan's announcement today. Maybe she said something that I forgot or whatever. So thanks for watching today. I'll see you in the next video. And I hope to see you in our Open Collab. Let's have some fun, guys. See you later. Happy crafting. Have a great day.